In this video, we will dive into group management in Linux environment. We will cover how to add groups, set password for groups, and check group details in /etc/group file. Let's get started. To begin, let's open up the terminal and log in as a root user or user with a sudo privileges. Currently, I am already logged in as a root user. You can check the logged in user by using command who am I. Here you can see I am currently logged in as a root user. Use Ctrl L to clear the screen. The command to add groups in Linux is groupadd. Let's see how it works. I will use command groupadd group1. By typing groupadd followed by the desired group name, we can create a new group. Replace group1 with the name you prefer. Now let's set a password for the group. Use gpasswd and group1. With the gpasswd command followed by the group name, we can set a password for the group. You will be prompted to enter and confirm the password. The group has been added successfully. Let's verify if the group was created. To check this, you can use command like cat/etc/group pipe grep and group1. So group1 is our group name. You can see the group's details including the group name, group ID and members is present here. But there are no member into this group. We have recently created this group. That's why after the group ID, it is showing me blank. That's it for this tutorial on adding groups in the Linux environment. We covered the group add command, setting password for groups, using gpasswd, checking group details in /etc/group file. Practice these commands to become proficient in managing groups in Linux.